Hey guys, this is Mubin from SMS. Now I'm at the terrace of my building and we are here to test the camera of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. In our previous video, we saw the unboxing as well as a very short review about the Redmi Note 5 Pro. In this video, we are going to look at the camera and the picture and the image quality of this device. I am shooting some videos from the terrace of my building and it is around noon here in the Gachibowli area of Hyderabad. I've also shot some videos prior to this. Those were shot around 10 in the morning and I have clicked some pictures. Those pictures are vary from like 10 in the morning and as well as 4 and 5 in the evening. So I'll be adding all those in this video. If you like my efforts in getting the videos, getting the pictures, editing them, compiling them and bringing them together to you, please like, subscribe and share. And if you do not like the video, please comment so that we can make changes to our video. So without further ado, let's roll with the video. You'll be seeing the videos that are shot from Redmi and some slideshows showing the pictures. Here you can see that we are shooting the video at noon on the 2nd of March. We can see the AIG hospital building. Here you can see the Trident building, the Gachibowli area. You can see the zoom, the level of zoom that it provides. The other buildings in this area, the traffic. Yeah, the Babu Khan Solitaire building. This is the Delight building and the other offices. You can see the traffic. This is the other part of the area. There's a lot of construction going on in this area. You can see the crane and the zooming effect. The Delight building, the newest building of Delight. Yeah. So that's the terrace of my building. The complete AIG building, AIG hospitals. Now we are facing the camera directly at the sun. Yeah, that's it. This is this short video that we have shot while walking down the stairs. Yeah, this is the indoor location. And the video that you can see on the screen is an indoor video. And you can see the incense stick burning and creating some smoke. You can observe the smoke. This video is being shot while walking down the streets of Gachibowli near the AIG hospital, near the Ramki Towers. The buildings that you see in front in the center, those are the Ramki Towers. On the right side you can see the Trident buildings and the left side you can see the AIG hospital building. Sorry. You can see the color saturation, the brightness, the contrast on this device. On the right side you can see the color of the leaves. You can differentiate easily between the green, the brown, the golden colors. You can see the color of the t-shirt of the guy that is walking in front of us. That is one of my friends who is going to help me shoot the comparison video, the camera comparison video, and we'll be posting that soon after this video. Yeah, you can see the colors observed on the buildings. The brown one, the white, the gray. In this part of the video, you can see the images. This is a portrait shot. All the other things, all the background are blurred. This is one more portrait shot. You see the object is very clear, but the background is blurred. Yeah, that's me in the image, in the picture. That was shot around the sunset time. You can see the zoom. That's one of my friend. That's the Joggers Park here in Banjara Hills. We spotted a peacock during our shoot. So that is the zoom. You can see the color, the amount of zoom that you get. One more peacock spotted. That's a portrait mode. That's a normal picture. The zoom, the level of zoom that you can get. The delay, then the other offices. Portrait mode. You can see the clear picture, the focus. Here you can beautify the image, you can share it on other social networking sites. This is one of the example of the work that the Redmi Note 5 Pro can give you with its portrait mode. You can see the depth of this image, the color, the details. One more normal. This pic was taken by directing the camera directly at the sun, the edge building, the Trident building, the other buildings here. That's it about the photos. So at the end of this video, we can say that the Redmi Note 5 Pro performed excellent with the picture as well as the video quality. Okay, and that would be it for the camera review of this phone, and we'll be doing a battery review as well as a comparison video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Take care. Thank you people. Bye.